Did you know that by simply watching videos and playing different games, you can earn as much as $5 every single minute again and again? You can do this from pretty much anywhere and earn a decent amount of side income using this strategy as well. So today, I will show you how using a brand new website, you will be able to earn as much as $5 every minute by simply watching ads, playing different games, and how you can get paid more if you get others to play games and watch videos on this website as well. The strategy that I'm about to show you is completely free and beginner friendly. So, if you are someone who is just starting out without any prior experience or have any money to invest, then this is a great way for you to get started. And since this strategy is available worldwide, you can try this anywhere from the world. All you need is a laptop, desktop, or a mobile with a decent internet connection, and you can start earning right away. If that sounds good to you, then I'm the executive, and for more such free and easy online money making tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from this channel. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Before I actually show you the website that we will be using today, take a look at this. This right here, this is the money I received via PayPal. So this strategy completely works, and you can make money using this strategy. Now keep in mind, the results may vary and you can earn less or even more than this. So make sure you watch the full video and do not skip any parts, as I will be guiding you through this step by step on how you will properly set up this strategy and also provide you with a few smart tips that will help you maximize the profits without leaving any money behind. This is the website we will be using today called Paidverts, which you can find at paidverts.com. They also have an app which you can download, and it is available on both Android and iOS platforms. So Paidverts is a pay-to-click type of website that will help you earn by simply clicking on buttons. As you can see here, discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time, so you can even advertise using this website, but that's not what we are here for. Scroll down a bit and you can see that they have different options that you can use to maximize your earnings, and if you are more active using their platforms, you will be able to unlock some exclusive features that will help you earn even more money. This website has paid over $9 million to their members, and they have various payout methods that you can select from, like Payeer, Payza, Bitcoin, and much, much more. So you can get paid via any of these methods, and given the rapid surge in the price of Bitcoin, you might want to get paid using that. Now, go back to the Earn section and click on Start Earning, and you will land on this page where they have displayed their top earners of the last 48 hours with their payment proofs. And as you can see here, that people from all around the world are making money using this website. To get started, click on the Register Now button up here, or by scrolling all the way down here, it will take you to the same page. You will then have to enter some details like your username, password, email address, date of birth, and complete a CAPTCHA. Now, as you can see that they have a unique CAPTCHA here, they will ask you to select the silhouette of the thing that you can see and then click on Register. They will send you a verification email, so make sure you have entered a valid email ID, and after you will receive the email, make sure you click on the link they provide you with and you have officially finished setting up your account. Now, after you have logged in, this is what your dashboard will look like. As you can see that your balance right now is 0 as you are just starting out, but that number will soon go up once you start watching some ads and doing some other tasks. They have also provided you with different statistics of your account, such as how many days you have logged in or how many ads that you have watched, and you can see that every milestone you complete, they will reward you with bonus points, which will then increase your earnings. Now, you can get started by clicking on paid ads right here. You will land on a page where they have displayed a bunch of ads and their earnings. You can get started and make money by watching these ads. Now, this might not be a lot of money, but it will add up very quickly. Also, with the bonus rewards they provide you with, you can earn even more. You can also watch ads that pay you bonus ad points. Using bonus ad points, you can watch paid ads, so the more bonus ad points that you have, the better your chances of watching ads with higher pay. So let's see what happens when I click here to watch this ad. As you can see, after I clicked on Viewed Bonus Ad, it landed me on this page where I will first have to do the CAPTCHA. Then it would take a few seconds to load, and after I finished watching the ad, it would display a message, "Congratulations, you won $0.095. Now, you can either close the window or try to view another ad. So I will click on next ad, and then I'll have to confirm the CAPTCHA again and watch the ad, and again I made a few bucks. Now, as I told you before, the pay is less, but all of it adds up very fast with their bonus, and if you want, you can try other things from this website that will earn you even more money. You can click on the PTC walls here, and as you can see that they have different offers and tasks that you can complete to make money. Now, they also have another way of earning money, which is by playing games. So if you are someone who likes to play games in their free time, you can absolutely try your luck here and win big. What you have to do is click on the game section right here, and you will then land on a page where you can play all these different games that you can see right here. They have games that will pay you 1 BAP and games that will pay you 400 BAPs. Now, I will select Minesweeper as it pays 400 BAPs, and once I have selected Minesweeper, you can see right here that they will pay you with those bonus points that will help you multiply your earnings. So the more you win, the more you earn, and you can select from any game that you like or any game that you know that you can play. Now, there is another way where you can make others complete offers or play games on this website, and you will earn a part of their commission on autopilot. To do that, head over to the dashboard, click on your username right here, and select Refer Friends, and then you will land on this page where you can see I have my special referral link. So when anyone registers using this link and starts making money by watching ads or playing games, you will get paid a part of their earnings as commission. Now, I will also show you how you will promote this link to thousands of people online and get them to earn money by playing games and watching ads on this website. So to promote this link, you can head over to Facebook and select Groups. Then type something like Make Money Online, and then you will see you have all these different groups with over 100,000 members. You can join all these groups and post your link in these groups and type something like, "You can earn money by simply playing games on this website," and paste your link. Once they see that you are not asking them to buy anything and they can make money by simply playing games, they will register and start playing games and watching ads, and you will get paid. This was one way of promoting your link. Another way is that you can head over to edimi.com. Now, this website is paid, but what it will do is it will get you in touch with a person that has thousands of people on their email list looking for business opportunities. What they would do is type an email and send that to all the people on their list and get you those free signups. Now, once you sign up on this website, you will see a bunch of guides that you can select from. Then you can select the number of visitors you want, and then they will write an email and send it to the people on their list and get you the registers. Now, even if they get 100 people and they collectively make $4,000, you will receive 10% of their commission, which is $400, and you will have to pay around $50 to get these signups. So you can try this if you want. Now, if you want to know how you can make over $700 by simply typing comments, then I am linking this video right here. Make sure you give it a watch. Tell me in the comments below, what type of games do you like to play? Also, did you find the hidden keyword in the video? If yes, then make sure you enter it in the comments below and follow the given steps so you can stand a chance to win the giveaway. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and that's it for now.